late start to my morning. I worked last night and decided to meet Tyler this morning and try to hit the ridge for a little while. We were walking out this ridge column and we walked up on these two hens, walking this road, and stopped and let the hens kind of ease out the ridge there. We just sit here listening. The wind's a little rough. We got a calm spot in the wind and heard one guy wanting to string here below us. We made a call to him and he answered us, so we're gonna give him a couple of minutes here and see what he does, see if he gets any closer, or see if he stays before we make a big move.
All we gotta do is get out there and get a little closer up to it. He just gobbled again, Dad. He might fucking come up here. I've seen him come a lot further. We might give him about 5 minutes.
See what he does, see if he gets closer.
I'm not 100% sure he's off this side. That kind of sounded like it was that way.
He's a little louder standing right here than he was over there.
I don't think, it don't sound like he's coming up at all.
I mean, he's answered you twice and seems like he's in the same spot.
Since this is a little bit of a dip right here, let's walk over till we're about that level and call and see if we can tell anything. See if we can kind of pinpoint him just a little bit better.
He's hot.
Is that maybe possibly two?
It's a long gobble. Look how far that point right there goes out.
He's on that road.
Yeah.
For sure.
I'll go after him. Hit him again there.
He's not that far.
Stub.
You know it?
No.
He's really not.
He's just in it. You think he's in that road?
Yeah. I mean, if we split the difference, he'll come. If we get down there, he'll come to us, I think.
Get on into this point, you think? Or that road?
I think we're going to have to be in the road.
Well, we'll go there and try it.
I think if we stay on the point, he'll come to us, but not, like, you know what I mean?
He might not fully commit.
He'll come to us wherever we are in relationship to the road, but I don't think he'll come up.
Think he'll just stand down there and strut?
He might come up. I mean, hell, you don't ever know. He's got a nice gobble.
We got a long gobble, don't we?
Said if he gobbles at this, we're going after him. Let's go.
Damn peacock.
He's ready. Speaking of call.
Where the heck did you get that?
When I bought that 20 gauge, he gave me like so much money for my gun, and then he gave me store credit. So I picked out like a bunch of shells and some targets and
Found a peacock.
it's a 3-in-1 locator. You can do a peacock, woodpecker, and a coyote owl.
Really?
And it works.
I got the point marked so we can park like over here.
Let me see this. So we're parked right here.
So what do you think?
Then again, sucks because we're so close to him right now.
Yeah.
But it would really suck if we go down there. It's going to suck either way getting back to the side by side if we walk down there. With a turkey, without a turkey, it's going to suck.
Yeah. Well, we can always.
Let's walk to the head of this drain, and if it looks like a pretty gradual slope all the way down in there, I guess we'll do it. But if it looks like this, we're going to hoof it. We're going to go back to the top, call our way back to the side by side, and then.
Okay.
I don't know if we can go down right here or not. Hey.
I couldn't see him.
What?
I couldn't see him. I had all that bushes and stuff in front of me.
Oh my God. See that mountain way up there? That's where we came from. pretty good footage of him.
What's that?
I got pretty good footage of him.
Really?
Yeah.
I couldn't. You must have been able to see better than I could.
He's dead.
I shot his beard off, didn't I?
Kind of looks like it.
Whew.
Golly. Who cares?
Man, what a hike.
Oh my God. Where was you at? You were up there, wasn't you?
Yeah, well, I was behind all that brush.
Yeah, I can see where your shot come through those briars. Right through there.
I think he was facing me when I shot.
That is a pretty bird right there. I'd probably take that fan, make something out of it.
Yeah.
He had a good beard.
Yeah, it kind of got shot off.
Yeah, there's something there. At least you didn't blow the whole thing off.
Yeah, I mean, I hit him good. It must have just. I try to put it right on the water. That's what I've always tried to do.
I normally aim in between the wattles and the head. I always aim right there. It don't matter. Neck's to neck. I just try to stay away from the breast.
Yeah.
What time is it?
11:30-ish.
10:24.
10:24. Wow.
You gotta think, when we come after him, it was what, 9:20?
Yeah.
But we,
An 800-yard hike down the mountain.
more than that. Because you gotta think, we rounded that point and went back up in that other drain.
Yeah.
When we first heard him, he was way out that way. He's just been coming this way all morning.
Yeah.
We've been playing catch up. Because when we heard him that last time, when I said we need to go back in the drain and drop over, he was at least 150, 200 yards that way.
Well, we thought we lost him.
Yeah.
We thought he just shut up on us, but he went around to this next little drain. Either just couldn't hear us or
We rounded the road. We called him back.
Now for the fun part, we gotta hike out of here.
Oh my God.
I thought you'd say we take the road. I say we take the road.
It is a hike too.